For many Warren homeowners, comfort is one of the biggest priorities when upgrading or maintaining their homes. Whether it's dealing with Michigan's fluctuating temperatures or the sounds of busy neighborhoods, the right windows can make a dramatic difference. New, high-quality replacement windows offer a powerful combination of improved comfort, better energy efficiency, and noticeable noise reduction, benefits that homeowners often feel immediately after installation. If you're considering investing in new windows for your Warren home, here's how they can transform your living environment. Improved energy efficiency for year-round comfort. One of the most significant advantages of installing new windows is the boost in indoor comfort levels. Warren experiences cold, snowy winters and warm, humid summers, conditions that can make older windows struggle to maintain stable indoor temperatures. Modern replacement windows are engineered with advanced insulation technology, including double-pane or triple-pane glass argon or krypton gas filled between panes, low emissivity coatings, insulated window frames. These features work together to help your home stay warmer during winter and cooler during summer. By reducing the transfer of heat between indoors and outdoors, new windows help maintain a more consistent temperature throughout your home. Homeowners often notice fewer cold drafts, more balanced room temperatures, reduced strain on heating and cooling systems, lower utility bills. This improvement in energy efficiency not only increases comfort but also leads to long-term savings. Significant reduction in outside noise. Noise pollution is a common concern for many residents in Warren, especially those living near busy roads, schools, shopping areas, or active neighborhoods. Older windows with single-pane glass or deteriorated frames do little to keep out noise. New windows, however, are specifically designed to reduce sound transmission. Double-pane and triple-pane glass systems create a barrier that helps block and absorb outside noises. The gas-filled layers and thicker glass also play an important role in dampening vibrations. With new windows, homeowners often experience quieter bedrooms for better sleep, less noise from traffic, pets, or construction, improved peace and relaxation, a calmer environment for children and seniors. For many homeowners, this noise reduction is one of the most rewarding and noticeable benefits. Elimination of drafts and hotspots. Drafty rooms, cold corners, and hot spots near windows can make any home feel uncomfortable. These issues are often caused by older windows that no longer seal tightly or have deteriorating frames. New windows are built with improved sealing technology, including multi-point locking systems, reinforced weather-stripping, airtight frame designs. This results in a noticeable reduction in unwanted air infiltration. Your home feels more comfortable, rooms warm up evenly, and your HVAC system no longer has to work overtime to compensate for outdoor air sneaking in. Enhanced indoor air quality. While comfort is largely about temperature, it also involves the quality of the air you breathe. Homes with old, leaky windows may experience dust, pollen infiltration, or excessive humidity. New windows help create a more controlled indoor environment, reducing outside allergens, moisture buildup, mold and mildew risks, temperature-related humidity swings. This is especially beneficial for families with allergies or respiratory concerns. A better living environment for Warren homeowners. Replacing old windows is one of the fastest, most effective ways to improve your home's comfort, efficiency, and tranquility. With advanced glass technology, improved frames, and sound dampening construction, new windows offer comfort benefits that Warren homeowners feel every day. Whether you want a quieter home, more stable temperatures, or simply a more enjoyable living space, modern replacement windows are a smart investment that delivers long-lasting results. If you're looking to make your Warren home more comfortable and peaceful, new windows may be the perfect next step.